are we heading right this minute?
To get keys!
I'm so excited!
Get our keys?
Our keys for what?
A new house!
Oh my goodness! About 15 minutes ago, our realtor called and she said, congratulations! And she was choking up and I was so excited and...
I'm so excited. I'm just trying to drive with all our stuff.
So we already had the truck all packed up for like a load just to take randomly sized things that were gonna be awkward and take up too much space in the truck. And then we also have our camping trailer hooked to the back and we're just like ready, waiting for her phone call. So we're headed to her store right now to get the keys and then we're gonna head straight to our house. Woo! I can't believe it. Are you guys excited?
Yeah!
What do you have, mister?
Keys to our house! Now I gotta drive. Here, you hop.
Oh my goodness. So cool. So cool. What I was saying earlier is I'm just so excited that we can go to the house and we don't have to have a chaperone. Right?
Unsupervised.
Isn't that what it felt like before? It was like, I always felt like, oh, if we'd go and just walk around the property, I felt like we were in trouble, or we'd always have to have a realtor with us. Not anymore. All right.
Can I have a big ball?
Ready?
Yeah. Ready.
Welcome home.
It's ours! 1, 2, 3.
Pull it. 1, 2, 3. It's the best way to come into a home is to make a party mess. Are you guys eating your pizza?
Salad.
Good job. Yeah? Is it good, bud? Matt, let me see you take a bite of your pizza.
You put in kind of a...
You know what is just so amazing, and I keep getting teared up just sitting here because sitting here on my couch eating Pizookie, husband's at work, but I'm watching, wait for it, I'm watching Fixer Upper. And remember just like 3 months ago, I would sit here and I would like be so jealous of these people who finally found their house that they've been waiting and waiting for. And we got our house this weekend. We got our house. I'm so grateful. So grateful. Me and Mav are eating our lunch outside today while the chimney's getting cleaned. Here, hold my hand. There you go, good job. Chimney's getting cleaned and our friend's here helping us with our electrical. You did it! Now we're in the backyard. Okay, so it is now Wednesday. You want to say hi? And we've done a couple things since we got the keys. So in this room, Tommy put lights in because before this room had no lights. He did that, and then let's show you around what else has happened. This light up here, my parents gave us, and it used to be this bulb thing right here. So we replaced that one. And then today, dun, 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 our fridge was delivered. So he had to take out the cabinets up here. We haven't been able to find paint, so that we'll just have to wait until we can find the matching paint color. And in the bathroom, this light, it was just a fan, so we turned it to a light and a fan because it was super dark. It's dirty. Super dark in here because the only other light was over here. So he had to switch that out. Then we realized that the boys' bedroom, it's kind of small, but we just got a cheap one until we figured out what we really wanted to do in here. But it was a big giant fan, but it didn't have a light, so we just switched it out to only light. Since there's gonna be a bunk bed, we kind of decided we didn't want a fan in here. And that's just kind of how this week has been going, is we are getting all the utilities set up. The gas, the propane company will be here tomorrow. And then we can have heat in our house. It's so cold in here right now. Oh, and then yesterday Kennedy and I both ended up getting sick and we had fevers yesterday, so that's not awesome. There's lots of other things that just keep popping up that we don't realize that we need to do. Like when I scheduled the propane, they said, do you need this to convert your dryer from natural gas to propane? And I thought, oh yeah, we probably do need that. And then there's different things with like the trash service that we didn't know. Our goal is to get all the utilities, and we're getting all of the little quirky things figured out. And then on Saturday, we'll have a big moving truck and actually move in and sleep in here. We got it in. We still need to paint up here. Hubby cut this right here. So we still gotta like, you know, finish that off. Barely fit right here. But isn't it beautiful? We're so excited. Mainly because we really needed or wanted a ice maker. We haven't had an ice maker in such a long time. Maybe, I don't know, like 6 years, 7 years we haven't had an ice maker. We're so excited. Good morning, Pearls. It is now Thursday. Only 2 more days. Only 2 more days until we move into our new house. 2 more days. So here's the issue. Kennedy and I were sick on Tuesday. We were feeling a little better yesterday, and now I woke up, no fever, but feeling super achy and sick again today. Darn. Kennedy's still doing good, so she's gonna go to school, and then me and the boys are gonna head over to the house because the propane guy's supposed to come. I'm a little nervous because I'm not sure if they're gonna be able to get their truck. I have to set the phone down. My arm's so tired and weak. I don't know if they're gonna be able to get the truck around to the back of the house where the propane tank sits. So fingers crossed that that all works, and they're gonna convert our dryer so it can run off of propane and not just natural gas. And I'm bringing some boxes so we can unpack some kitchen stuff while we're there. So I'm not just sitting around waiting, but I'm really excited because that house needs some heat. Ava, what are they doing over there? Do they have a crane on their propane tank? He was watching it the whole time.
I have a big giant crane.
A big giant crane?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Totally cleaned out the freezer and the fridge. The plan is tomorrow, Friday that is, to continue packing up the garage. That's kind of like the last thing, and then all our clothes. It's kind of all that's left. We have a lot of the garage already packed and actually moved over to the new house, but we're kind of on survival mode now. So we've budgeted to be eating out this week before because we knew that we had everything all packed up. So, but I've been sick, and it's kind of a bummer because I was like so excited to be eating out and nothing sounds good. But one of our favorite things that we've been eating is, we've just been having bagels and cream cheese, and then we're having smoothies with our bagels and cream cheese. And everybody's loving them. But it'll be really nice once we're actually in our house and unpacked to be able to have a home-cooked meal in our own kitchen. So anyways, that's the plan for tomorrow. Oh, what I was gonna say is move all of our food and everything except for like the bare essentials for breakfast on Saturday, but move all our food over tomorrow on Friday. And then we're gonna move the couch over on Friday. So that's the plan. Come out here, guys. Daddy got it. It's time to move. Are you excited to move?
Yeah.
Hi, bud. You got it. It's moving day and everybody's up, dressed. Grandma's coming soon to get the kids. We have a friend already here helping us. Look at these cute kids watching Daddy load up the moving truck out there. These two are doing good, but this poor baby over here is so sick. You doing okay, bud? He's gonna go sit on the couch at Grandma's and watch a movie, huh, buddy? Yeah. Just like that, the house is empty. We had probably, I don't know, like 15, 20 people from our church that came and helped us. It's amazing. So cool that we had so many people help us. And oh, and our family was included in that, of course, as well. And now I'm gonna go get sandwiches and meet everyone else up at the house. The new house. Nice! All right, all our friends and everybody have gone, and we're home.
Overwhelmed with unpacking.
I'm actually feeling a little bit better now that we did the kids' rooms. I'm like, oh, that wasn't too bad. We'll just slowly keep doing it. I think it'll go faster than I originally thought, but
I think there's a bee inside.
there is so many boxes just everywhere. But I did get the kids' bedrooms done. So everybody left, all our helpers left, and it was amazing. We're so grateful for everyone. But Tommy's mom took the kids. Huge blessing. Oliver's so sick today, poor guy. So she's taking care of them. So we unpacked a little bit while they were finishing their naps. So we're gonna go get them now and bring them back and bring Fred with us. There's our bedroom full of boxes. Then Kennedy's room. I'm so excited for her to come home and see all her toys. She was really excited that she gets this desk in her room now. She has the prettiest view out her window. Just all the pine trees and our big oak tree. Fred's never been to the house yet. Fred, come here. Guys, come show Fred the backyard. Fred, over here. Whoa. Yeah, we brought all your toys. Good boy, Fred. Good boy. Go ahead, open your, there's your new room.
She has a desk.
What do you think? Don't open your door yet, not yet. Kennedy, what do you think about your new room? Look at how big it is compared to your old room, huh?
Perfect.
All your stuff, all your toys are in your closet. See?
Ooh.
Does it feel like your room now?
My room. Take everything.
See, we gotta fix that part, but you can just climb over for now, right?
My there.
Yeah. All your stuff is in your new room. Okay. Time for dinner. We are home and having dinner. These two are in here. Daddy's working on something. Oliver's washing his hands. Wanted to make homemade cookies the first night we were in the house. So we already have the cookie dough ready to go, right guys? So everyone can put some cookie dough. Hold on. Put it on there. Good job. Good job. I think that's probably good. Here, Mav. No. Do one more. Yes. They're all ready. Our first night in our new house. Here you go, Oliver. There you go. Let me see you take a bite. For the princess. Yummo. You guys are cute.
You're cute.
Thank you.